Yo, it is almost Black Friday, bro. This is the week of Black Friday. This is the most important week, that the last week that we have to actually enjoy Black Friday deals. You know what I mean? To get that bread type shit. You know what I mean? And this is why I'm giving you 5 products. I'm actually gonna give you an extra product just in case, so you guys can see a little bit more of what I should be selling right now. And this, like I said, this is the last time that you guys probably do this. Like literally, if you start right now, you'll be good for Black Friday. So let's just get right into it, because I'm gonna be showing the product. I'm gonna be explaining what it is, what it do, what it does. I'm also gonna explain you the marketing angle behind it, the little secret that no one shows you that you should be doing, because this shit matters. So this is the first product. I know it looks kind of weird, but like, yo, let me explain you real quick. The main reason why I chose this product, because this is a unique new product, as in it literally just came out and no one has started selling it. This is literally unsaturated. This is literally a winning product right here. Main reason why it could be used for boxing, fitness, people who are just training in general, people who want to learn how to fight. This is good for kids too, get the anger issues out. Like there's so many marketing angles that you can go behind it. And look, it's already starting to pop off on TikTok already. So like, yo, get on it before these niggas start selling it, bro. Before you can stop. So before they start getting the bag over you. Because by the time you guys see this, that's the one you guys should be like, yo, I need to start right now. A good way to even do this, the next product is a bean bag that turns to a bed. I know it is kind of weird. It's a weird little thing, but it's actually pretty cool for like people who want like multiple furniture, but they only want the furniture one. This is a 2-for-1 type of product. This is why this is also so good. And this product right here is pretty popular already. Look how the engagement of it already. Look at this. These are literally likes and shares. Likes, bro. Look at that. I'm literally giving you the sauce right now, man. The audience age of this shit, bro, the gender. And look, bro, they've been running ads for a while, but like not a lot of people know about this. Not a lot of people do. That's why I'm showing you guys right now. Target audience, bro. You can go United States, but yo, fuck it. Don't even go United States. Add the big 5 countries. Why? Because you want to expand. You want to expand it all. Kind of like your never mind. The next product I'm about to show you guys. Yo, this has literally been a actual good product. The main reason why, because like there's so many people who are very lazy doing dishes. Because this is for dishes, this is for cleaning out crazy stains like rust and stuff. Yeah, let me just show you guys the product, you know what I mean, so you guys know. So this is an example right over here. This product could actually be used to clean dishes, get around the little corners of where people don't like to clean, like the bathroom tubs or anything like that. I've seen people literally cleaning dishes with this too. Why? Because it's very universal. And the main thing about it, it's very cheap and very easy to get started. It comes with lots of heads, bristles, everything. So the marketing angle behind this would be, yo, if you got that tough stain you want to clean out, or if you want to clean your kitchen even better, clean your bathroom even better, clean your sink even better, this is the best thing you can use for it. There's so many different marketing angles that you can go behind it, but it's mostly cleaning though. Mostly cleaning. Especially like people who are lazy that want to clean dishes. Because I've seen this on TikTok where people are using it to clean dishes and it's actually popping off for them. Black Friday, you guys might be busy. But there's actually this website that actually makes it so much easier for you guys. And this web is called ProjectEcom ads. So ProjectEcom ads is actually a website that makes video ads for you. As in, they don't just make regular ads, they make professional ads that are meant to convert. As in, right now they're actually running a sale if you join the VIP program where you get 75% of all video ads. But the best part about ProjectEcom ads, when you join the VIP program, you get 75% of all ad packages, 30% of user-generated content, priority customer support, and also free revision. So one of the best packages they actually have is a 4 ad versions for 1 product. So if you're a non-member, you actually pay $60, but if you have the VIP, you only pay $15. To get started is actually very easy. All you have to do is just place your order, submit a form, then you receive your video through 1 to 3 business days. So when you guys are actually ready to check out, you can actually use my code ProjectEcom for an extra 15% off. But you guys can actually use the link in the description below. It already has a coupon code for it. This one is the hair cleaner. The reason why I say this one is a good one is because it actually detangles the hair by itself. So it's like less maintenance, less cleanup. As in, you see how useful it is? You just literally just switch the button and all the hair falls off. And best thing about this, it cannot just be only used for humans. If you really wanted to, you can also market it towards dogs. But if you want to really market it towards dogs, there's another product that's even better for dogs in general. That's why I said this is for humans. The marketing angles will be cleaning your hair, fast cleanup of hair. Marketing angle could be, hey, a product that you could gift your significant other. A product you can gift your kids. You know what I mean? The product basically you can give your sister, the product that they'll use every day, because that's what we're trying to sell. Because that's the best thing to sell right now, because a product that can be used universally. You can use it every day, sell it every day, and everything's gonna be looking nice and clean. You know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? And the next one, I've been seeing this a lot on TikTok and everything, but it's actually a really good product. You know, if you don't know what this triangle cube looking thing is, it basically just frames things. As in, I've been seeing it a lot where people are actually framing crazy things because it's very indestructible and it's very cool. I wouldn't really recommend selling it on Facebook per se, unless you want to go to a little audience, but I would mostly try TikTok, Snapchat, and Pinterest. Main reason why, because Snapchat for Facebook, it's not really meant for it. It's too cheap of a product and doesn't really like solve a problem that they want. But if you're looking for Snapchat, there's a lot of people who will buy it, and there's not that many people that actually sell on Snapchat in general. Go on Snapchat, then go on Pinterest, because they're not there yet. You gotta start thinking outside the box and start selling over there. Don't go Twitter. Obviously, do not go Twitter. Marketing angle behind it is, hey, you can frame anything with it. If you're doing organic, let's say you want to do TikTok, I can frame anything with it. You can just be like, yo, watch me frame my whole phone. Watch me frame my Gatorade. Like, frame the craziest things ever. Like, not too crazy, but like, you know, some craziest thing. Because there's a lot of people trying to do that, but you gotta be unique with it. Be a little bit crazy with it. You know what I mean? You can go a little crazy. Because the main thing about TikTok organic is having people in the comment section talking. That's how you get hit the fucking FYU page type shit. You know what I mean, bro? This is the very last one. This is the surprise one I want to give you guys. Because this one is like that other one that I showed you where you be cleaning dishes, cleaning the angles. But this one is more like a little bit more powerful and you got a handle to it. You know what I mean? As in, peep this one. This one, you just pretty much put it together. Like you can literally clean the sides, bathrooms, like that. And the best part, it's a 2-for-1. So you can literally take the head apart, that you could just use your hand to clean the rest of it. Like people don't really know about this shit because not enough people are doing it. Like look how efficient that is. Like literally, if you're a lazy person, you need this in your life. It makes everything so much easier. You can look like, see what I mean by you can just use the handle itself, or you can just use the whole thing. It's very easy to do, stovetop. So the best marketing angle for this, it will be mostly kitchen stuff, but just not that. You want to say marketed towards like the little angles that is very hard to reach, as in how easy it is to clean things that are pretty far underneath things, and also very abrasive or basically very hard to clean, as it makes tedious work easy. That's the best marketing angle you cannot choose from, but you can also be creative and choose your own. But you can also make an upsell with it as well, as in it has lots of brushes for it, as in eventually the brushes are going to get old, dirty, or broken. So that's why you add brushes in it as well to increase your revenue. So later on they'll be like, hey, I remember I bought it from that person. They're going to come back and buy a little bit more. You know what I mean? But that's mostly it. But I know it's very close to Black Friday rate, so I want you guys to start this right now. If you guys don't start this right now, some other person may hear, hey, these guys are not doing it. I might as well start making that money. But you guys not doing it right now, you guys are actually fucking up your bread. Like, unfortunately, I have to say it, bro. I'm gonna be very harsh with you. You guys are fucking up if you guys don't start right now. You know what I mean, bro? Black Friday is around the corner. This is the best time to make some fucking money type shit. You know what I mean, bro? You know what I mean? But hey, man, yo, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video, bro. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I mean, bro?
They won't let feel comfortable until I'm reminding you who you think that you're lying to. It's the shit that we're running to. They won't let feel comfortable until they're reminding you